For the 4 billion years preceding 1857, Earth's ecological balance was secure. However, in that year petroleum was discovered, ushering in a new age in an industrialized world. It was this industrial era that initiated the onslaught of pollution in the form of hydrocarbons and the subsequent devastation of the ecological balance of Mother Nature. Ultimately, humans were without remedy for this rising threat. The International United Council Habitat 1 Summit was formed at the United Nations with the official code of 44/228, wherein it was reported that Earth's ecological balance had been destroyed. An effort to renew ecological balance by way of new technologies was desperately needed. A world with no clean water makes way for drought and famine. When plants and greenery die, the air is more easily polluted, and the ozone stratum pierced yet further. Mankind has despoiled its own home, treating Earth as if it were only something from which to take endlessly. This myopic perspective has now resulted in placing our precious Earth, along with all of its sacred life, in danger of imminent destruction. Imagine the destruction of Earth's ecological balance. Imagine all living creatures, all necessities, air, water, and soil polluted. Eventually our world has diminishing resistance. Fatal viruses and burning zones create a very real threat to all life on Earth. If there were to be a technology in our universe that could explain all the mysterious happenings in our world and protect the interior and exterior of Earth from ecological atrocities, would we accept and use this technology? We are the agents of humanity, providing new solutions that will reverse these ecological disasters and make it possible for Earth to come back once again into ecological balance. Today, toxic waste can be rendered harmless. Desert soil can be transformed into lush and productive land. All types of fires, including forest fires, can be quickly brought under control. Green, the color of life-giving plants and trees, can now flourish. The dream that has been held for so long, the experience of a pristine planet, is now crystallizing. In this demonstration, cooking oil is being mixed with water. Normally oil and water do not mix, but with the addition of the formula, oil and water can now mix. The resultant liquid is a non-toxic, non-carcinogenic substance. Now ordinary motor oil is being mixed with the perfect formula. As in the previous demonstration, oil has been transformed into non-toxic, non-carcinogenic substances, which are completely safe for the environment. The perfect formula is being mixed with gasoline. When the formula is mixed with gasoline, it encapsulates the hydrocarbon molecule, which breaks the fire triangle and thus prevents the fire from starting. The normal risk associated with the transportation of gasoline can now be eliminated when the gasoline is treated with perfect technology. As can be seen, the gasoline is now not able to burn due to the encapsulation of the hydrocarbon molecule. Now a different perfect formula is being used to reverse the gasoline encapsulation. The resulting gasoline will now burn 10 times longer and is also non-polluting as a result of its molecular burn. Since each hydrocarbon molecule is burned in sequence, there is no loss of energy. As a napkin is placed over the gasoline fire, you will notice that it is not stained by hydrocarbons. This is due to the highly efficient burn made possible by the perfect formula. Fire starts when three main ingredients are present: heat, a flammable material, and oxygen. Breaking this fire triangle and thus extinguishing the fire is achieved when one of these three ingredients are removed. The perfect formula creates a protective shield around the object and also prevents reignition. We will show this capability by first dipping the napkin in the perfect formula and then into gasoline. When the napkin is ignited, the gasoline burns, but the napkin is completely protected. This protective shield is also important for human safety. As can be seen, the finger is first dipped into formula and then into gasoline. When ignited, the finger is completely protected and not harmed by the flame. When the finger is put into gasoline a second time, it still remains protected. The perfect formula is added to the melted wax. The candle is not able to burn. This result is achieved by the encapsulation of the hydrocarbon molecule and thus breaking the fire triangle. This capability of the perfect formula is what makes it possible to extinguish all types of fires, including forest fires, very quickly. The perfect formula also has the unique ability to conduct electricity. When dipped into normal water, the circuit is not completed and the bulb does not light. When the wires are dipped into the perfect formula, electricity is conducted and the bulb now lights. Another aspect of the perfect formula is its ability to block lasers. As can be seen, the laser is passing through normal water and cooking oil, but is unable to pass through any liquid that was treated with the formula. In this demonstration, we will show how the perfect formula is used to clean polluted water. The perfect formula can be used to clean any type of pollution very efficiently and economically. The following aquariums contain many different types of pollution, including chemical, bacterial, hydrocarbon, hospital waste, and organic waste. Life in these waters has become impossible, but with the addition of the perfect formula, life again will flourish. First, the formula encapsulates and then destroys the toxins. The resulting precipitant is a non-carcinogenic bionutrient. This bionutrient can be used as fish food for the aquatic life or fertilizer for the land. After only 40 minutes, the process has completed and the waters are ready to support life again. The perfect formula can be used to treat any size body of water and is applied at concentrations of 1 part to 1 billion parts. When a body of water is treated with a perfect formula, the purified body of water then continues the process by cleaning the surrounding soil and air, thus bringing back the ecological balance to the area.